Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today I am going to teach you how you can make a simple drafting of a short sleeve. So let's quickly get started. So take a fabric. The length of this fabric would be the height of your sleeve. Whatever you want for your sleeve, just add 1 inch for the hemming. And the width of this fabric would be the length of your armhole plus 2 inches, which is for the stitching purpose obviously. So you need to take 2 pieces of the same measurement and place it from the right side together, and now we will fold it from the middle. Now from the folded side, from the upside, you need to measure the 12th part of your chest. Whatever your chest size is, just divide it by 12 and measure it. Mine is 3 inches. So from the upside, I'm measuring 3 inches downwards, and I will make a mark and just make a straight line. Now onto this line, you need to measure your armhole. Just take half of your armhole measurements. Mine is 6 inches, so I'm marking here. Now from this point, you need to give a slanting line to the top of your armpit like this. This is the baseline. Now from this you need to make your front and back armhole. So take a middle point of this. Mine is 3.75 inches. So I'm marking here. And now make a straight line of around 1 inches. Like this. And now we need to join this point to this point like this in a slanting way. And now from this point, I'm just giving a darker look so that it will be visible. And now you need to give a slight curve to make your back armhole. Just join these 2 points. So this is your back armhole. Now to make the front armhole, you need to take the middle point of these 2 points. Mine is 1.75 inches. So I'm taking here. And just go around 2 centimeters upward. And these 2 points also we need to take a middle point from these 2 points. So here I'm marking around 1.75 inches again, and I will go around 2 centimeters downward. Remember, it was upward and this was downward like this. And now we need to join these points by making a S shape to make our front armhole. See, like this. Just join all the 3 points slowly. If you have a curved scale, that will also be a good idea to use that. Okay, so this is your front armhole. Now from the folded side, from the upside, you need to mark the length of your sleeve, whatever you want, and add 1 inches for the hemming purpose, 1 or 1.5 inches, whatever you want. So here I am marking 5.5 inches, and now make a horizontal line straight like this. Now measure your arm's width and make a half of that, and make a point here on this line. Now you need to join these 2 points. You can use curved scale also for this, or straight will be okay. Now just cut this pattern First of all, we'll cut the back armhole. And now open it and cut the front armhole like this. These will be 2 fabric pieces. So this is it. I hope you learned this simple, easy sleeves drafting pattern. This is the basic pattern and this will be needed to make so many designer sleeves pattern. And I will be uploading more such videos for the designer patterns. So stay tuned for more, and do comment down below if you have any kind of queries. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends. It will really motivate me to do more such videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.